Hi, it's Nick here from SquareKicker. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily do a website handoff using SquareKicker's transfer feature. If you've connected a Squarespace website to your SquareKicker account, you are that website's SquareKicker website owner. If you want to transfer this to another user so they can take over the subscription, this video will come in handy for you. If you're a designer or a client who wants to request to take over the ownership, I'll also show you through this process as well. Notice that the website's ownership for Squarespace and SquareKicker are different. Squarespace have their own level of permissions in which if you are an admin or an owner, you can use SquareKicker on that site. But if you are a SquareKicker owner, you're the one who manages that subscription. Let's just jump straight in, I'll show you how it works. So I head into my SquareKicker dashboard and I see a couple websites here in my designer plan. And I've got my site, Lando Stand, that I'm already finished and I want to hand off to my client. Now I could just deactivate it and then I'm ready to add another website to my plan, but I actually want to send this website to my client so they can take over ownership of this subscription themselves. So I hit the three dots here and the website menu, I select transfer. Inside of the transfer accordion, I'm going to select transfer ownership. And then I'm just going to type in the name of my client and email address here. And then once I finish typing it in, I just going to hit transfer ownership. So when I type in my client's name and email, it's important to note that they don't actually have to have a SquareKicker account at this stage. An email will be sent to them inviting them to accept and also create an account if they don't already have one. And now that invite has been sent and I can clearly see the email address and the name it was sent to. If I see that they didn't get it, I can just click resend and it will resend that email to my client. If I, for some reason, sent it to the wrong email, I did a typo, all I have to do is click cancel and then start the process over again. All right, that's it, I'm done. Now all I have to do is sit back and wait for my client to accept the website and then I'll receive an email notifying me that they have. Now on the other side, if I was the client, I would receive an email that looks just like this. Nick has invited you to accept ownership of this website. Now all I have to do is click on accept transfer. And when I click on that, I end up in my dashboard asking me to accept the transfer. As soon as I click accept transfer, immediately the website will be transferred into my account. Great, success. Now all I have to do is add a subscription. So I'm going to click add subscription. I'm going to choose from one of the plans. I'm going to go for a monthly solo. And of course, I put in my credit card details here and then click subscribe. And then my payment's successful. And now I have my website. It's as simple as that. Okay, starting over, I'm now on my client's dashboard and I want to request a website from another user. So if I head into my add website and I'm just gonna buy a solo because I want to actually take over this website and instantly put it on a subscription. So I already have a credit card locked in here. So I'm gonna purchase this website subscription here. Great, so that's successful. And now I just want to connect my website. So I'm going to go connect and I'm going to end up in my site selector for Squarespace. I want to hit connect with Squarespace. This here is going to show me all the websites I have in my Squarespace account. So I'm looking here for the website that I want to request, which is my site, Lando Stand. So I'm going to hit allow. Great. But now it shows me that the website is not connected, but now I can request ownership of this website to the existing owner. So all I have to do is hit request ownership and an email will be sent to the owner of that website knowing that I'm asking for access to this to be transferred to my account. All right, so now let's jump over to the designer's email and see what they get. All right, so I've just got an email from my client and it says, my client is requesting ownership of the SquareKicker connection of the site Lando Stand. So I'm happy with that. Let's transfer ownership to my client. Click on transfer ownership. Now I'm going to end up in my website's dashboard and it's going to have the option to approve transfer. So I click approve transfer. That website has been sent now to my client. And all I have to do is sit back and wait for them to accept the website and be transferred to their account. You can clearly see here that Lando is on my name for my client and it's been sent to his email. All I need to do now as the client is click accept transfer. And so when I click accept, I immediately end up on my dashboard to accept the website transfer. Cool, success. Now I have that website in my dashboard. I hope this video was really helpful so that you can now manage website handoffs using SquareKicker's transfer feature. If you're requesting a website or you're transferring a website, we got it all covered. If you need any help with any part of the process, please always feel free to reach out to our team. We're here to help.